If your Ricoh MPC printer has error SC400 and calls for service, don't worry because the repair is usually simple and quick. Turn off the copier, and let's get started. Open the right side cover, and remove the fuser unit from the copier. Below the transfer belt you can see the metal guide, and even lower is the black plastic casing. Unscrew the 2 screws and remove the black casing. The screw on the left has a different shape. It is very important to remember this when reassembling. The green strip is density sensor. Error SC400 is displayed when the sensors are dirty. This means they were not cleaned during the inspection, or the copier was serviced a long time ago. However, use a brush and a vacuum cleaner to remove dirt from the sensors. Toner dust must be carefully removed, especially from the black sensors. Reinstall the density sensor housing. Reinstall the fuser unit and close the right cover. After restarting, the copier will be ready to copy.